Are you a student looking for financial assistance to pursue your educational dreams?
The Bay East Foundation offers scholarships to help students achieve their educational goals.
The application process is easy. Simply fill out our website, bayeast.org/foundation, and follow the instructions to submit your application. You have until April 30th to apply.
To qualify, you must have a 3.25 GPA, be a resident of Alameda or Contra Costa County, and be attending a qualified educational institution for 2023 academic year.
In 2022, the Bay East Foundation gave out over $18,000 to students in the local community.
Thank you for supporting the Bay East Foundation.